Annyeonghaseyo. Thank you for having me as the guest of honor on this wonderful celebration of the National Foundation Day and the Armed Forces Day of the Republic of Korea. The future of Indonesia-Korea relations depends on our ability to work together, hand in hand, with a shared vision and commitment to mutual prosperity for our people. Once again, congratulations. May our partnership continue to thrive, bringing stability, opportunity, and prosperity to the people of Indonesia and the Republic of Korea. Thank you. Kamsahamnida. Saranghaeyo.